Today we are starting the first paper in the kcse exams, and we've opened the container at 7 a.m. We've distributed papers to 40 centers, and the invigilators and supervisors are well prepared.
We are all set. You witnessed the opening of the container. The center managers are very organized, the security is very organized, and my boss, the county commissioner, who is in Kishugu, is ensuring the exams goes around very well. He has instructed us, the deputy county commissioner, to be very keen on that. That's why he's touring everywhere. Again, the difference with this exam is we have two shifts. We have instructed the center managers by 12:30 to bring the first shift of the exam papers. Then from there we shall issue them with the others. They go and bring them at around 4. And we shall make sure all that one is done with all the smoothness it deserves. The ones who are sick are not from our sub-count, but because we have a very nice referral hospital, one has come and is admitted there, should be given exam there with all the security in that hospital.